Please, Duke. I want my mother back.
Take her. You know what I want. And you know what I'll do if I don't get it.
I know.
Oh, I'm gonna kill you, you little freak!
You think I'm stupid, Duke? Even if I gave you money, you'd still tell on Mother, and no one must know about her or what she's done! She can't help it. She can't help the things she does. She's just an old lady. A sick old lady.
Watch the guitar.
You shouldn't sneak up on a guy like that, Duke. Duke. I didn't mean it. I didn't want to. You made me do this. Your tainted blood in me. Don't laugh at me, Mother. Don't laugh at me.